Hello Gus, it's Mark at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting that video for you on the 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo X. Here's a shot of the engine compartment for you. This vehicle, I did a complete walk around and it's everything that you would expect with only 13,000 miles on it. It's in excellent shape. The hood is excellent, no scratches or dings. The glass is good, no chips or cracks. Up on the roof, it's got the chrome rails. Shot down the side here, I don't know how good you'll be able to see this, but you can see it's super straight, no dings or scratches. There is a little bit of curb rash right here on the front right wheel. Just a little bit right there. The rest of it's in excellent condition. No signs of staining or corrosion. Front headlights and fog lamps are excellent, as is the grille and lower air dam. All the way to the ground. No cracks or scratches or anything. Doesn't look like they hit any curbs or anything. Front left wheel, no corrosion or staining, no curb rash over here. Tires are in excellent condition as well. Back left tire and wheel. This vehicle has the rear park assist sensors in the back, the chrome tips on the dual exhaust. Backup camera, also has keyless entry and keyless start. Back right tire and wheel. Excellent condition. All the plastic's good as well. The wheel wells, the covering for the rear bumper. This vehicle is equipped with trailer sway control and hill descent control, but I checked, Gus, and it does not have a factory hitch installed. I'm getting pricing information on that for you right now, as well as towing capacity, and I will call you to confirm that you received this video, and I will have that information for you at that time. Interior is also excellent. Door sills, a place normally associated with higher wear, look awesome. Heated leather seats, also in excellent condition. Side bolsters, very nice. Center armrest, very good. There's a light scratch right here on the leather on the door, very light. Front seat back's excellent shape. Rear controls. It's really nothing bad to show you here, Gus. It's all good. Headliner. Back to the rear of the vehicle. Second row seat backs. Carpet, excellent condition. Very nice rubber all-weather mats, Jeep mats. Again, side bolster in the rear seat, very good. $13,543 is the mileage. And there you have it, guys. For more pictures, you can view us on the web at www.taylorandsonschevy.com or give us a call toll free at 1-800-866-2138. Also, Gus, I'll be following up with a phone call to make sure that you were able to open this video and view it and answer any more questions that you may have.